Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by entering header edit mode because headers are persistent across pages. Double-click the top margin or go to Insert Header and choose Edit Header. Once inside, select any text, images, or page numbers and press Delete so the placeholder is cleared. Make sure you watch the ribbon. Header and Footer Tools appears and shows section controls. Immediately save a copy before major changes. This avoids accidental loss if headers are different in separate sections. Once you remove content from the first section, check for section breaks because headers are section-specific. Go to Home and show formatting marks to reveal breaks. For each section, open the header, then click Header and Footer Tools and turn off Link to Previous so changes don't propagate undesirably. This is why some pages still show text. After unlinking, delete the header or footer content in that section. Also inspect different first page and odd and even options and adjust them to match your intent. Finish by removing any remaining headers and footers. You can use Insert Header, Remove Header, and Insert Footer, Remove Footer per section after unlinking. Once done, save a copy and flip through every section, including first page and odd/even variants, to confirm removal. If a header still appears, show hidden formatting marks to find a lingering section break or a linked section. Delete or adjust that break, then recheck headers. One key tip: broken results usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.